AT&T is a brand that's been known for quite some time, and we've made it a commitment to keep our customer front and center at everything that we do.
13 years ago, I was a retail sales consultant. I was the one walking to the door. Hello, welcome to AT&T. That was me.
It's all about the customer and connecting the journeys that they have across multiple channels.
Where do we apply our focus to make our company best in class, maybe even world class?
What we're driving is really about business transformation.
With that comes great responsibility to uphold the promise and the power of the AT&T brand.
We're always looking for ways to innovate.
It's in that moment that any company has to go digital.
Customers have very complicated relationships with us.
Oftentimes painful in the experience.
The challenge is we've got to go back and cover 15, 20 years worth of technical evolution.
I think my team worked in about 20 different applications.
I got to go to 50 screens, trying to find this and that.
Swivel chairing.
Took down the customer information on a sticky note.
Searching.
Our front line wants to be one company.
How many times do I have to repeat myself? You all are AT&T. Is an AT&T one company?
How do we turn our frontline teams into superheroes? How do we make them the smartest people? How can we take a tool like Customer 360, get that laddered into the organization quickly, and really try to accelerate some change in this company?
The telecom industry is fiercely competitive. You have to be able to change things rapidly. Everything moves at the speed of light.
This pandemic has shown us what the art of possible is when you move faster and you do things differently.
Now we can just hit an app and it's open and we in.
When any customer comes to interact with us, that frontline agent will know everything about the customer.
That's a capability we haven't had.
It gives them a way to have a relationship with the customer.
Getting a single source of truth, getting this 360 platform deployed was a huge milestone.
From a speed and agility perspective, that is a game changer.
We know customers want simple, seamless, ultra-fast engagements from us.
This is it. This is the opportunity to really be successful for our customers going forward.
I have a vision that this tool in the hands of our frontline will be a difference maker and a vital component to the growth platform of AT&T.